In this video, I will show you how you can share your screen with FaceTime on any iPhone. Now I will share the screen of this iPhone to this iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just do a FaceTime video call. Now after you start your FaceTime video call, then on your iPhone, just tap on the three dots over here, and from this menu, just select Screen Sharing. Select Share My Screen, and once this countdown finishes, you will be able to share your screen with the other iPhone, just like that. Now the other person can mark on the screen, just like that. Now once you're done screen sharing, then just go back to the FaceTime app. Now just tap on the screen and select Stop. And after you do that, you will stop screen sharing, just like that. And this is how you can share your screen with FaceTime on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.